video, I'll be demonstrating how you can set up IP addresses. IP addresses basically allow for specific IPs to give the user a specific address the ability to use the system at that address. So for example, if you have multiple offices, you'd need to set up IP addresses for those offices so that the users can use the system at those offices. And if, for example, users would like to use the system at home as well, you can set up IP addresses for their home addresses as well. So firstly, how you do this is you'd need to make sure the IP settings is all set up within the user group permissions section. So if you select that and go through to where it says admin, and then go down to where it says IP settings and make sure this says full access. Once you've done that, if you head back to the admin section, the IP settings icon will be available to you. So if you select that, and then you have two options along the top. Firstly, global IP settings. If you select that, what this allows you to do is create the IP address for all of the users. That's what it means by global. So you'd pop in here the address you'd like to create. So let's just pop that for now. And you're happy, you just press save, or if there's others you'd like to create, you just press the plus sign here and others will appear below. And if you'd like to not create them, you just press the minimize here. And if you'd like to cancel what you're doing, you just press cancel. And if you're happy to create that IP address, you just press save and that will create that IP address. However, say for example you'd like to create an IP address for a specific user, say it's their home address or they work in a separate office or anything like that, you just press the add user IP here and then a blue bar will appear and you select the drop down menu and you can either select the user group or the user specifically, and then you basically press OK once you've got that user, and then you'll have the option along the top where it says use global IP settings. So basically what this is asking is if there is already a global IP setting created, if you'd still like to apply that global IP setting or the multiple global IP settings against this user as well. If you'd like them to still be a part of those, you say yes. If not, you select no. And then once you're happy, again, you just pop in the information here and then you just press save, or again, if you'd like to add more, you add more. Or if you'd like to cancel, you press cancel. And then once you press save, you'll notice now that there is an IP address for this specific user. And if you'd like to remove it, you just press the red cross and it will get rid of that straight away for you. I hope this helps.